Meaning of idol.
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 Idle.
Idol. The term idol refers to a person or thing that is greatly admired, loved, and worshipped by others. It is often used in the context of popular culture, where celebrities and musicians are considered idols by their fans. The idol phenomenon can be seen in various forms around the world, from K-pop stars in South Korea to Bollywood actors in India. In essence, idols represent an idealized version of human beings that people aspire to emulate or connect with, making them a powerful force in shaping cultural narratives and individual behavior.